Maksimalkan merpati Anda dengan jamu HFF, berada dor, stabil juara.
Watch out, cause I'm here now and I'm staying. Claws out, this the fight that I've been craving. I know there's something inside of me, but it's been masked by fear and anxiety. But no more, I'ma break out of the chains. Let's defiantly. Go! I'm waking up, this ain't enough. All of my dreams were starting to rust, but I believe that I can adjust. Positive thoughts, I'm starting to trust. Nothing's deserved unless you work. Something of worth requires an urge. I have been hurt by those at their worst, but that gave me will, some power, a surge. And they know that I won't surrender. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps I take from my bed to the floor. 5.
Nanti ada satu kloter ya, bisa 14 ekor ya. Ada pengawan dari Obarun Orbit. Kita lihat. Oke, segera dari PMKM Suci 1313 Lampung.
Lanjut, nggak ada, udah ya, habis ya. Udah ya, habis ya.
Ada Zeus versus bintang tamu. Di sang ini bintang tamu dari Zeus. Oh, depan belakang.
Oke, ninggal ya.
Oh, Zeus. Oke, Zeus lakunya ya. Ada Gibraltar dari Asia Race versus Naga Rungkung dari tim RJB.
Burung berpantaukan yang rapat jadi sedikit ya, samping kiri ya. Tarung dari atas nih ya. Tarung dari atas. Atas nih ya. Tarung dari atas.
Oke, Gibraltar dari Asia juga dari tim
decipher the messages, looking brighter. Already paid up the pipe, but my game is getting much tighter. I feel my body on fire. Now it's game time.
Hari ini sang geni, Basuri. Ada
Galaksi dari
masih maju kembali. Ada bintang versus Istan.
Filled up with suspense. We've got our dreams we must have found.